up your Cash App account. Located near the bottom is a squiggly line icon. Please select it. Now click Buy. To enter custom amounts, you're going to click the three dots located in the corner. For our example, we're going to use $100. Please enter $100 and select Next. Before you confirm, please take notice that $100 has fees associated, which leaves us with $97.73. This is less than what we want to transfer to our Hugo's Way wallet. So let's use $110 instead. $110 minus the fees leaves us with $107.78. This is just enough to transfer $100 to Hugo's Way wallet. Go back to the main screen. Select the squiggly line. Now select the arrow. We're going to send Bitcoin to Hugo's Way. Go ahead and click Send Bitcoin. Now we'll go back to our Hugo's Way account to get the information that we need. Remember this clip? Let's go down to the bottom where it says Send Bitcoin amount, and we're going to copy that amount. Let's go back to Cash App and enter the Bitcoin amount and click Send. Now we need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address. Go back to your Hugo's Way page. Look where it says Bitcoin address. Underneath, it will say Copy to Clipboard. Click that. Go back to Cash App and enter the wallet address into the space. Once you have done so, click Next. Now all you have to do is click Confirm. Once you have confirmed your transaction, you will be done with Cash App for now. Please view the next how-to video to learn how to transfer your Bitcoin balance to your MetaTrader account.